ENC867. Shoutout kay Sir Brain. So ito yung ano, Vesky N4 color DE. And then may kasama na siyang suppressor. Price is 13,700. Ayan. So 6 inches suppressor. And then yung unit pala is full metal. Metal yung front assembly, metal receiver, metal yung outer barrel assembly. Tube is metal. Ito, polymer to. And then ito, charging handle, metal din, Vesky. Then sights, front and rear sight, may kasama na. So grip is polymer. And then pati yung mga small parts niya, metal. Ito, trigger, selector, bolt release, and magazine catch. And then out of the box, may kasama na siyang LiPo battery. Then magazine capacity is 300 rounds. Okay, test natin. Passes tayo. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. Okay. So, thank you kay Bossing.